We're going to start with a new HTML5 canvas, and I'm going to talk to you today about the 3 different kinds of symbols. We're going to start with just drawing a circle. And instead of making it a graphic like everything else I've made in this class so far, we're going to make this one a button. So when you double click it and go to Modify Convert to Symbol, or you can press F8, whichever makes you happier, you'll see that you've got 3 options: movie, clip, button, and graphic. I'm going to talk about movie clips in a little bit, but buttons are the thing I wanted to talk to you about first. Buttons are very much like the buttons you see on a lot of websites. The buttons on my page, when you hover over them, change. That's an overstate. Sometimes after you press a button or after you click a link, it changes color, it changes somehow the way it looks, and that's going to be the hit state. When you click down, sometimes it looks a different way while being clicked. That's the down state. Let's take a look at this right here. I've got a button, and I don't see any of these states anywhere. I see the properties of my button over here, and none of them actually tell me any of that stuff I was just talking about. In order to make this button have all those different characteristics, I have to go into editing mode or isolation mode. So right here where it says Scene 1, right here it says Layer 1, and it's got all my layer numbers. I'm going to take my black arrow, my selection tool, and I'm going to double click on this symbol. What that does is it takes me into that isolation mode. It also changes my timeline, up, over, down, and hit, just like I was talking about. You can always go back and forth from Scene 1 to isolation mode. But I'm going to stay in isolation mode for just a second so I can create these states. I'm making 3 keyframes here. 1 in over, 1 in down, and 1 in hit. You'll see what these do in just a moment, but the up state, I'm going to leave this color. The over state, let's say I want to turn it red. The down state, I didn't mean to change that line color. The down state I'll turn yellow. And the hit state, sometimes you can't really tell what it does until you actually publish it on the web, but we'll go ahead and see what happens if I turn the hit state green. So up, over, down, hit. That's what I've got. Now when I go back to Scene 1, that whole other timeline disappears. What's really happening is the symbol that's in the library has its own timeline. If I want to see what it's actually doing, well, I can't play this. Nothing happens when I play this. It just sits still. I have to go and look at a preview of it. So if I go to Control and say Test, or if I hit Control and Enter on my keyboard, it's going to bring me up this. Up state, over state, down state. And it will do that forever, even though there's only 1 frame of this whole movie that continues to do that over and over. That's what a button does.